Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. Today we're in Eaton Canyon. We're going to do some nature studies. This is the special chaparral habitat Mediterranean climate. It's only found in a few places in the world. What did you find? Oh, beautiful spiky cactuses.
Follow me.
Wouldn't be an adventure without some dangers. What does it say? Hey, cougars and wildlife, free training today. Learn safety tips.
No, there's no more.
You want to go to the nature center? It's today.
Oh, really big.
Whoa.
Follow me, Mom.
All right.
Gonna let you climb on. Climb onto your back and I'm gonna climb on.
Exactly. You climb on my back. If you see a mountain lion, a bobcat, or a bear, they all live here. Here's an animal sign.
It's just looking at a snake.
Bunch of poop. I think it's rabbit. There's wild rabbits here. See?
No dynamite. No radio. No flash. No guns. No gun. None of that. None of that. None of that.
Yeah, behavior chef basically.
We can have a dog though.
On a leash, yeah.
None of that.
We haven't had any really big rains. You heard the sound? We haven't had any big rains this year yet, so we'll see. Spiky bushes are yuccas.
When are we gonna get to there?
Beautiful.
When are we gonna get there?
Pretty soon, actually. Oh yeah? But you're afraid of dogs.
What? They are not dogs.
Last time we came, this was full of water. And I didn't think there'd be water today, because we haven't had any rain.
I want to
This
be
is
a mountain lion.
a seasonal creek that we get here in the California mountains. This will all be full of water in a week or two,
I want to meet a
whenever it
mountain
rains.
lion. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Now you can explore the creek bed.
Come on.
Mm-hmm.
I remember the wild red clover.
This is important.
Let's go that way now.
Okay, wait. See that plant right next to you? That's poison oak.
That one.
This nasty looking one right here. Leaves of 3, let it be. No matter how dried up it looks, it can make you itch really bad.
Come on. I'm getting attacked by flies.
You want to be able to recognize that. Yeah, it looks beautiful, but it's full of poison oak too. Okay, now we're gonna head back down the trail.
Mom, you said you. Yay! Let me get it down.
He said his legs are crying and he needs to go on my back.
What is sound?
It sounded like a scrub jay.
I sort of
Oh, listen.
What a snake.
The nature center is this way. The rocks here are igneous, granite rocks that were formed under the ground by magma. See, some of the granite was transformed into gneiss by heat and pressure. So you see the granite here, and then these bands, that's where the granite was transformed. Metamorphic rock right there.
Inside the nature center.
See, the black phoebes eat insects. They live by the running water. They make their nests out of mud. Ooh. Oh, this is just beautiful. I found my next subject for a landscape painting.
I've never seen him dive there before.
All right. This is the nature center, and I had no idea this was here.
Here you go. They do it. They fill
You
it
can
up.
actually feel through their shell.
Oh, there it is.
Are these tortoises always out?
Yeah. Look at that.
Now these are native to our area. These are desert tortoises.
I believe so.
Desert tortoises.
What are we doing now?
He's friends with a big tortoise at my aunt's house.
Oh, really?
She
Oh,
has
like a big one?
sulcanas that are like this big. 2 of them. And they have to have a huge area.
She raises them?
This is stunning in here. They have all the wild native snakes. The California king snake. Pacific gopher snake. Oh my goodness. Anacondas aren't native to this area, so I don't think we'll have any anacondas. But here's a, let's see, red on yellow, you're a dead fellow.
See beetle. Look, Mom.
Red on black, you're okay, Jack? Don't quote me and don't stake your life on that. But it's something like that. Is the snake asleep? They don't have eyelids. There's a cool rattlesnake. Mountain lion is up high. I said, oh look, it has the different kinds of poop. And he's like, no thanks, Mom. Well, yeah, but then you can tell what kind of animals have been around. I used to have a book on animal poop and animal tracks. It is actually quite interesting because then you can see what lives in the area. It sees you. Oh my goodness, John Paul. It's looking right at your face. That is a very dangerous animal. Don't touch the glass because it's disturbing. Let's see how close I can get. Oh, guys. Are you scared? Oh my gosh. It's like getting ready to strike.
I want to see it. Keep doing that. I want to see it strike.
You can
Tarantula!
see those pits underneath its eyes. I think that's a special kind of sense that they have. Look at. They can hunt in the dark. Rattle. See the rattle at the end of his tail?
I see it.
Right there at the end of his tail?
I see it already.
Yeah? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. So you did get to see a predator today.
I want to see a real cougar.
Well, we got to see a real rattlesnake. I think that's pretty awesome. Well, that was amazing. That was such a fun day, and we got really hot, but we got to see some amazing nature, and I think what a great way to end this video with a real California rattlesnake. Thanks for joining us for Mommy Sea Star. See you next time.
Make a video of me.
Yeah.